Hi friends, welcome to POFO WordPress Theme. In this video we will show how to use column shortcode in Query Page Builder and explain about different helpful settings of column shortcode. Columns are the main part of row in which you can add different content elements like text block, images, image sliders, videos and many other elements. So first of all log into WordPress admin backend, then create a new page or edit your existing page. Now you can see add element with plus icon. Click on it and select POFO tab from pop-up. Click on row shortcode. Row shortcode is added to your page. Now you can use this option to add multiple columns with different width using the option available here. Let me select 3 columns with each of equal width. Now click on pen icon to change column shortcode properties. First of all let's review the design options tab. This is main section where you can manage column margin, border, padding, border color, border style, border radius, background color for column, background image of column. If you have uploaded background image then you can manage background type, background position, and you can also assign minimum height of column. Suppose you want different settings for different devices, then you can switch on enable responsive CSS box and add your different settings for different devices like Mint desktop, table and mobile. Let me assign background color to each column here. Now let me add text block element to each column. Click on Save Changes and preview it. You can see all 3 columns with different assigned color here. Now let me upload background image. Select cover background as background type, center middle background position, and let me set 500 pixel minimum height. Click on Save Changes and preview it. You can see first column have background image and also you can see assigned 500 pixel height. Now if you want overlay on column then go to Overlay tab and switch on Overlay tab. You can assign your desired overlay color. Let me select blue color, opacity. Click on Save Changes and preview it. You can see blue background overlay here. Style tab options. There are mainly 2 options, alignment and display. Alignment will use to set content alignment within column. So let me select Justify Align for desktop. Click on Save Changes and preview it. You can see text is aligned Justify now. Display property. If you want to hide any column in specific device then you can use this option. Let me select Display None for mobile. Click on Save Changes and preview it. In desktop view my first column is visible. Let me switch to mobile view. In mobile view first column is not visible. Responsive Options tab. Using this option you can manage responsive nature of column in different devices. We are using Response Bootstrap framework and it is grid content 12 columns in a row. As you know we have added 3 columns with equal width, so that mean all those 3 column contains 4 bootstrap columns. Suppose you want any of your column to contain the half part of row, then you can select 6 columns as width using this option. If you want to add black column before this column then you can use offset options. Now if you want to hide any column in different devices then you can use hide on device option. Click on Save Changes and preview it. You can see first column is covering half part of row. Go back to General option, Full Screen class. If you want to cover your column to cover full screen height then you can use this option. Let me switch on this option. Click on Save Changes and preview it. You can see first column is covering full height of screen. We already have padding options in Design Options tab, but in one go if you want to all padding of view column, then you can use this option. Position Relative option. Suppose you have any content or any type of elements within your column which uses the position absolute property, then you must have to switch on this option to make it working. Overflow option. If you have fixed or full height column and inside content is longer than height of column, then you can use overflow visible or auto property to have content with visible scroll. Clear both property. If you want any of your column to go down to the second line, then you can use clear both property. You can select any of your desired animation from available options, and also you can add animation delay in millisecond. Let me enter 500, click on Save Changes and preview it. Animation effect is visible and you can see delay of animation also. Go to Extra tab, this is element id, you can assign unique id to your row, then extra class name, you can add CSS class name here and then write custom CSS for this row. You can add custom CSS code in Appearance Customize panel, or you can add custom CSS code in Child Themes style file also. I hope this video has been helpful. Any more question about same or theme, you can contact via our support. Thank you for watching.